Mseleko's fans are very disappointed, worried, and asking Musa Mseleku where is the wife and number 5 after posting this picture on his Instagram account. Remember, last episode of uthandonesthembu, we introduced to wife and number 5, but we could not see her face. Musa Mseleku went on to say that we're only gonna meet her when the first wife and Matele meet her for the first time. But the picture that Musa Mseleku posted right now on his Instagram account tells 1,000 words. As you can see on the picture, does anyone notice the fifth queen on the side has fallen? If you can see, if you know chess pieces, you can tell that there's a king standing and there are 4 queens that are standing, and there's another one that is fallen. So people thought that the fallen chess piece represent wife and number 5. Remember, guys, there were once another wife, Musa, who died in a car accident before the show. So the fallen chess piece represent her. So people were just thinking that wife and number 5, she's normal. Musa Mseleku went to a podcast this year. He was talking about his business, how he became successful. He did reveal that in 2024 he has 5 wives, no more 4 wives. He has the 5 wives. He has done everything. He has paid the lobolo. We just need to wait for the show, which is season 8. Also, name Musa Mseleku's first born. She also went to another podcast where she revealed that yes, wife number 5, she is there. She's not gonna say a lot because it's nothing to do with her. They are done with uthandonesthembu season 8. They are now doing uthandonesthembu season 3. So guys, yes, wife number 5, she is there, although they don't want to tell us what is going on. So Musa Mseleku, when he was posting this picture, people thought maybe he's introducing uthandonesthembu new show. Normally it's introduced whenever there's a new show. Mzansi Magic will be the first one to introduce, and then Abu Musa Mseleku will just share the picture. So on this picture with the caption, Musa Mseleku went on to say that thank you my queens for agreeing to give it a side into your lives. I started in 2013 after my book launch negotiating with you guys. You only agree in December 2016 to be part of Mzansi Magic. So this picture, Musa Mseleku, it's an old picture. As you can see, season 7. This picture, it was posted by Mzansi Magic this year around January when they introduced the new season on uthandonesthembu on their show. You know, when they, I don't know how to say it, but anyway, guys, it is what it is. Guys, I don't know if I can subscribe it to like. Musa Mseleku was just posting this to appreciate his wife, to say, guys, I see you, guys, I really love you, and I thank you for the love, the everyday that you're giving me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. Bye.